This is a remote control. If you guys want to know how I control a drone with just this, then stay watching this video. I'm really excited because this is my first non-DJI drone to actually review in this channel. So let's unbox. The perfect small. So this is what you get inside the box. There is this drone. Look how tiny it is. I have to say the body does have really nice finish. And a tiny camera in the middle of the drone. And a super tiny joystick. And it comes with this ring. And the battery that goes in. And altogether this weighs less than 100 grams. And the box includes 32GB micro SD card. So since this is my first time using this brand's drone, so what I'm gonna do is put on the propeller guard. I'm gonna charge the battery and then read the manual, and I can't wait until I go out and play with this tiny drone that you can control only with the thumb. So right now I'm outdoor with the drone and also this remote control. So let me first switch on the remote control. And while you're switching on, you need to have a distance of about 30 centimeters. And now it's time to switch on the drone. Charging takes about an hour, and now we're ready to fly. So I'm just going to put it on the ground. All I need to do is press down. Okay, so now it's flying. And if you want to switch the mode so that you can actually control with the thumb, all you need to do is press this, but you need to have it directly above, just like here. Which means you need to use another hand to actually press the mode. So now the mode has changed. Okay, now I'm ready to fly. It's actually really easy to fly. So this way, that way, up and down. But if you want to change the mode, you just need to click so that it hovers. If you turn the back button of the joystick, you can see how it rotates around. And this way, then rotate the other way around. Landing is easy. All you need to do is basically press down. Now I'm going to connect using the mobile app. So I've already downloaded the Shift app, and you need to actually get connected through the Wi-Fi. It immediately connects to the drone. Well, there are more functions than just recording at HD and photo. So let's find out. Put it high up. And then hover mode. Let's take some pictures. It's a little bit windy today, or right now. But it managed to take stable photos. And inside the app, there is clever Lazero pilot mode. There are many different modes with pre-programs. So now it's the orbit mode. And these posts are actually quite high. So I'm not sure whether it's gonna be okay. Wow. I somehow measured the height just enough to get over the post. And to stop the drone, all you need to do is just click and it will just hover. Okay, so I want it to stop here. So all you need to do is press. And now let's try the follow mode. Despite this being about 30 minutes before the sunset time, so quite dark, it was able to follow me fine. And now let's try the dolly out mode. It's basically the droney mode. And the speed in which the app downloaded the files were really quick. So what did you guys think of this drone? It is a lot of fun actually sort of maneuvering with this control stick. Now I understand it very well, and if you have any doubt, you can just press here and then it will just hover in place very stably. I do wish the battery lifetime is a bit longer. It wasn't quite enough for you to try all the different functions, but I think you do get, I'll need to see how many minutes I got flying first time around, but I think you do get the amount of minute in the one full battery. So yeah, this is something new, something different, non-DJI, and totally new way of controlling a drone. And I'll come back with some other non-DJI drone review as well. So please stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and see you! So if you guys have watched this far, then I would like to do a little giveaway for my friends in Malaysia. So if you'd like to try out this little interesting drone, then please write down below #ShiftRedDrone and also the reason why you'd like to have it. Then I'll get it delivered to you before the year end. See you!